How's it going, everybody? Tommy T here from Carpet and Flooring on the Road. Today we are showing you a complete renovation of our customer's master bathroom. As you can see here, it doesn't really look too bad. They kept it super clean throughout all the years. It just needs a little update, and our customers wanted something more modern, cozy, and has a little more extra storage space. We also replaced the windows and repainted the entire bathroom. There were a few surprises during the demolition. We found a lot of hidden damages underneath the tile floors that needs to be addressed before we continue. You'll see what I'm talking about later on in the video. So please enjoy that. Leave your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and click on the notification bell so that you can get updates on our new videos. Enjoy. Alright, we just finished the demo and cleaned up the entire bathroom. You can see the hidden floor damage on the video there. All that wood has been slowly running away, most likely from water leaks. This is a prime example of why you need to be thorough with your customers and explaining the process before getting an agreement to do the work, just so that there are no surprises. Just like letting them know there may be hidden damages from water leaks underneath all that tile, and that would raise the cost of the renovation since we need more parts and labor to get the job done correctly. Oh, and just a heads up for those of you out there that own an older house and have lived there for more than 10 years or so, this could be lurking underneath your bathroom floors. So just a heads up, in the kitchen as well. So, it may be time for an upgrade. Something to think about. In this case, we showed the customers what we found. Let them know about the extra costs. They agreed to the repairs, and we continue to do our job. So keep watching to see how it turned out. Okay, everybody, that's the end of our video. Thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed that. If you like what you see and live in Southern California, specifically Orange County or Riverside County, and need some work done to your home, please contact us today for a free quote. Remember to leave your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and click on the notification bell so you can get updates on our new videos. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.